Hi, I'm Emily and thank you so much for clicking this video. So for today's video, I decided to create this look which is inspired off the Aquarius sign of the Zodiac, and I decided to do a series this year where I'd be creating a different video each month which is based off the most predominant sign of the Zodiac. And I wanted to do this to just help celebrate each different sign and the different qualities of it, as well as just to go outside of my box with creativity and try some new different looks. Aquariuses are an air sign even though they are known as the water bearer. Aquariuses are known to be really quirky, experimental, intellectual, artistic. So I decided to create a really pretty blown out blue sparkly eye to help represent the Aquarius sign. So if you want to see my Zodiac series and all the looks I'll be creating, make sure to subscribe down below and let's get into the look. I'm first going to start off by priming my lids with the MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. And then I'm going to set my primer only from the crease up with a white shadow. For my white shadow today I'm going to be using White Lies from Makeup Geek. I only want to prime the crease up because I want to keep the lid sticky for the glitter that I'll be applying. I'm then going to be going in with these two light browns and just building up the crease to make a smooth transition. I'm then going to take a little bit of this brown and start to build up a little bit of definition in the crease. For my lid today, I'm going to be using the Stila Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in Vivid Sapphire. I'm just going to be taking this and building it all over the lid for my main color. I'm then going to take this darker brown and start blending out the edges of that blue I just put down. I'm just going to be switching back and forth between the blue glitter and the brown shadow until I feel like everything is blended. I'm just going to blend all those edges to make sure everything is smooth and seamless. For brows today, I'm first going to start off with the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil, and then I'm going to finish them off with the Benefit Gimme Brow. For under my brow bone, I decided to put White Lies from Makeup Geek. For my foundation today, I'm going to be using the Morphe Fluidity Foundation in F110. For concealer today, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Fair Beige. I always like to set my under eyes right away to make sure they don't crease, and for that I'm going to be using the Pixi by Petra Flawless Finishing Powder. For some contour and color today, I'm going to be using the Pixi by Petra Multi Balm Sheer Sculpt. I then went ahead and set all my creams with the Pixi by Petra Flawless Finishing Powder. For blush today, I decided to use the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Party. For my highlight today, I'll be using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Platinum Ice Skin Frost Pro Palette, and I'll be using the colors Glacier and Lavender Snow. I'm going to be using setting spray for all the highlight that I used today just to make sure it comes off with the pigmentation that I want. I'm then going to set all my layers of foundation with the setting mist just to make sure that they all melt together. Start off with my lower lash line. I'm first going to take the Kokie Professional Velvet Smooth Eyeliner in Deepest Black. I'm then just going to be putting this on the outer corner and blending it out. After I put down the black, I just blended it out with that dark brown from earlier. I then wanted to blend out all my edges with the 2 browns that I used earlier. I'm now going to take the Stila Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in Vivid Sapphire from earlier and put that right over the black that I just put down. For my inner corner highlight today, I'm going to be using a mix of Glacier and Lavender Snow from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost Pro palette. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Pixi by Petra Double Brush Mascara. For lips, I'm first going to start off with the Maybelline Matte Lipstick in Beige Babe. I'm then going to top that off with the Fenty Beauty Gloss and Ready to Mingle. So here is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you liked this video and you want to see more like it. Also subscribe if you want to see my Zodiac series and any other videos I'll be posting. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.